Joining us from the deals team is Syed. Sarah is with me here in Berlin. Is there a trend, Sarah, a trend emerging, I should say, in PEs looking for capital?
Well, yeah, we saw that EQT, the Nordic region's largest private equity firm, announced its intention to float this morning. And you're right, we are seeing a bit of a trend emerge. We have private equity firms that are looking to sell stakes to increase or to strengthen their balance sheet. And EQT is one of the first in Europe in in over 2 decades that has decided to list on the stock exchange.
Talk to us quickly about what EQT is. It's a Wallenberg family.
Well, they are an anchor, but the Wallenberg family-backed investor AB is an anchor investor in EQT, and this is one of the reasons that EQT has decided to list versus selling a stake. Very quickly, what EQT does, they started very humbly as a very small private equity firm focused on the Nordic regions. They now today manage under over 60 billion in assets under management. So that's 2 or 3 decades later. They've grown significantly. They invest across infrastructure, across real estate, venture, and private equity, amongst other.
And the Wallenbergs hold a big stake, right? Like 23%?
They hold 23%, and they will sell down pro rata, as will the other investors in the firm.
What about the possibility of other PE firms following suit? Could we see other PE firms IPO? Are there many more in Europe?
I'm definitely excited to see what happens on the back of EQT. If it is a successful listing, I think we could see potentially other private equity firms. There are some requirements. You have to be a diversified firm. So if you're just a pure play private equity firm, it won't go down so well with investors. But if you offer a diversified platform, as EQT does, then it could be quite successful. But yes, I would say that there are a handful of PE firms in Europe that could be potential contenders for a listing.